Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can enable or disable restricted mode on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone. And if we want to enable or disable the restricted mode on TikTok, we need to go to the TikTok settings and privacy. To open up the settings and privacy, we need to go to our profile first. So we can click on this profile icon, and then after the profile has been opened, we can select the three lines on the top right and select the settings and privacy. Okay, in the settings and privacy, we will be able to have a lot of options guys, and we need to choose content preferences, right? And we can go to the restricted mode. And as you can see guys, I have my restricted mode off, and if we want to enable this restricted mode, we just need to click on turn on right here, and the restricted mode will be activated. But before I enable my restricted mode on my TikTok, I'm going to show you what this feature is. So basically, you can use this feature to protect you from uncomfortable contents on your FYP on TikTok. You can read the description right here, guys. Limit content that may not be comfortable for all audiences. If you find content that makes you uncomfortable while in restricted mode, report it to help us improve. Okay. And I'm just going to turn on this feature because I want to protect my FYP from the uncomfortable contents. Okay, and then here we need to set a passcode to turn on the restricted mode. I'm going to set my passcode. Okay, I'm gonna click on next, and I'm going to confirm. Click on set. Okay guys, and now I have turned on my restricted mode, and if we want to turn it off, we just need to go back to the setting and privacy and select the content preferences, and you can go to restricted mode and you can disable the restricted mode right here. Just click on turn off. I'm going to select this menu. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable or disable restricted mode on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.